morning mga boss! Narito ako sa Cultural Center of the Philippines upang saksihan ang pagbibigay pugay sa isa sa mga haligi ng musika na si Andrea Ofilada Veneracion. Siya ay isa sa mga pinaka-maimpluwensyang tao sa larangan ng choral directory dito sa Pilipinas at siya rin ay isa sa mga pinaka-respetadong tao sa buong mundo. Siya ang nagtatag ng Philippine Madrigal Singers at siya rin ay nangunguna sa paglilinang ng musikang koral sa Pilipinas. At ito ang tribute para sa edad na 85, pumanaw ang proclaimed National Artist for Music noong 1999. Siya ay kilala bilang choir master worldwide. Nagtapos siya sa University of the Philippines sa kursong Bachelor of Music Degrees in Piano and Voice bilang cum laude. Nakamit niya ang kanyang master's degree in voice sa Indiana University School of Music, Bloomington. She established the MADS when she returned to the Philippines in the year 1963.
My studies also have given me also to choose the songs that I will be singing. And through my musicality also, I can hear who's making mistakes. So here, if you're a good singer or you're the best singer I have, you have to attend the rehearsals. Kasi that's the only thing that will bring us to bring us together and will make us allow us to make good music. As long as the discipline is there, nothing can be wrong.
Veneracion proved her excellence not only in the Philippines but also abroad by putting the madrigals limelight. Siya ay naging adjudicator sa iba't ibang international music contests. Noong 1990, siya ay tinanghal bilang Vice President for Asia of the International Federation for Color Music. She was also hailed as the artistic chairperson of the International Choral Festival in Italy noong 1996 and the chair of the International Choral Festival in Taipei noong 2001. Veneracion also founded and served as the first conductor of the Asian Institute for the Liturgy and Music Chorale, when she was awarded also as the TOEFL or the Outstanding Filipino Award for Culture and the Arts in 1997. Para sa kanya, ang mga kontribusyon na ito ay development sa choral singing in the Philippines. Siya ay nagretiro bilang choir master of the MADS and then selected assistant choir master na si Mark Anthony Carpio para pumalit sa kanyang posisyon. Pero tinuloy pa rin niya ang paggabay sa MADS sa pamamagitan ng pagsama sa kanilang mga tours from 2002 to 2004. Isipin na isang buwan na lamang ay magaganap na ang Andrea Veneracion Choral Festival, ngunit hindi na natin siya makakasama. This competition is also in behalf of the 50th anniversary of Philippine Madrigal Singers. Kami po ay taos-pusong nakikiramay sa family, friends, colleagues at sa lahat ng tagahanga niya. Your legacy will remain in the hearts of Filipinos everywhere. Leilin Karagay para sa Cultural Review.